Today we will talk about some of the very best teachers for CMA Inter Group 2. Starting with CA Satish Chalan sir, who is an amazing teacher as mentioned earlier, and his concept clarity for cost FM will never leave a single doubt in the class. For company accounts, we have Santosh Kumar sir and Nikhil Gupta sir for audit. They both are very talented teacher with so many years of work experience. For indirect tax, we have Sanjay Mundra sir, who is a very good teacher for GST, and his way of completing the syllabus in an entertaining way will never let the student to pressurize for indirect tax. OMSM is a very good and the easy subject, and studying from CA Satish Shalan sir can help you to make it more easier and can help you to fetch the highest marks in this subject. For more useful content, don't forget to follow and share it with your friends.